I'm Marco Mendes from Colombia. I have feel awkward. We had made many questions about how is that gonna be the procedure. You will see me with a lot of hair. I recommend you 100% QHT. Thank you QHT for all the processes, for all the journey. Hi there, I'm Marco Mendes. I'm from Colombia, but I have been living in Perth, Western Australia since 2013. I have feel awkward because I have since the end of my 20s, I had been a little bit, started my baldness. And I was feeling like, uncomfortable because of that. But I've been researching for many years, and doing some treatments, putting some gel and things that can help me to grow my hair. However, it hasn't been, I hasn't got the results that I want to. That was why I was researching with my friend, and he introduced me somebody that has came to QHT India, and he has good results because he came 1 year ago and he was bald, and now he has a pretty good, nice head, nice hair. And I'm very happy being here because the people from QHT pick us up from the airport, help us with all the documentation and everything that we require. We have made many questions about how is that gonna be the procedure, how is the cost, how is gonna be everything here. I had feel very comfortable because they have answered everything, and because they have they invite us as well for a lunch, which is very kind from them. I think the main reason why we came to India is because of the results that we have seen in one of our friends, and he recommended us this place, which is one of the best around the world. My main concern was about the pain that I gonna feel, because the truth is I don't like surgeries, so I think it's gonna be okay as per the clinic already told me and explained me how is that gonna be. And I feel that the best way to go through this procedure is just sleep for a bit, feel comfortable, and go through, follow all the instructions that they're gonna give it to me. I will let you know how I'm going with the procedure, and just keep watching this video, and then you can see how I'm going, how I gonna be after. And I'm sure, and 100% sure that that's gonna be amazing. You will see me with a lot of hair. Hi there, I'm back after the post-chirurgical, yes, I feel, happier when I see my head. Okay, the doctor has asking me, to care of myself. He told me how to take the medication, how to care myself, how to take all the medicines, and then I have to follow them, every time that I require. And yes, while the process, I sometimes when I feel a little bit of pain, I ask the doctor, and the doctor straight away put me more anesthetic, local anesthetic, which helped me to keep going in the process. I was sleeping a lot of time, the majority of the time actually, but because I feel more comfortable, like just closing the eyes and sleep. And yes, all the people, all the doctors, nurseries, they were very kind with me, and they always ask me if I wanna use the toilet, if I wanna eat anything, if I require anything. Okay, the doctor told me how to, do the care of my head. One of the main things is just spray the saline every 30 minutes. It's very important, to grow out the hair, to keep it wet. And yes, the other thing is just in the donor area, we got a cream. I got a cream, and I have to put it in the donor area to avoid an infection or anything. And the other important thing is just to have the medicine on time. Yes, day, midday, and night time, following all the instructions and recommendations as per the doctor say. I recommend you 100% QHT because it's not only because of my experience, but also my friend's experience. One of my friends came last year, and then he was completely bald. And then 1 year after, he was with a good hair, and he is good looking now. That's why, I was researching different clinics in Turkey, in India, in different places around the world. But QHT, it looks like they are very professional. They are very good people, very kind people, and they are very professional doing the transplant, doing the job. And that's why I'm very happy with QHT. I recommend you customers to come here. Thank you, QHT, for all the processes, for all the journey, and I recommend you 100% to come here and to research and come to QHT. I will send QHT all how it's gonna be my grow up of the hair and the process. Yes, I'll send them some pictures, and you will see that.
Hello friends, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please like this video, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will get update on every video.